Hi, so mate, how are you all doing? Okay, so let's quickly run a tutorial on this beautiful dress. Okay, to start with, you need your basic bodies template. Just transfer it, or rather, copy it on a different paper. Okay, just like I'm doing right now. I'm starting with the back. The next thing I did here is to get the width of my strap because, of course, it has a strap, right? Then I get the neckline depth on the back. Then I try to draw the strap length all the way to the neckline depth, and I give it a little bit of tightening at the waist, and then eliminate the super bulge at the center back as well. This is what it looks like. And right there, I want to just copy out the cut out the sleeve separately, and then reshape the armhole just like you saw there. So let's move on to the back, to the front bodies. I will do the same thing. Alter the bodies to a kind of low neckline with strap. But the first thing I did here is to transfer my shoulder dart to the bust dart. Yes, for those that are using shoulder dart like mine, just transfer it to the bust dart. Okay. So if you're using a bust dart, you don't need to do anything. Okay, just do what you are supposed to do. The next thing I'm doing is to get the strap length, the neckline depth, and then my neckline. Okay, and then yes, I would reshape my armhole because you have to reshape your armhole to make it kind of deeper inside compared to the way it was before. Okay, that's about that. And then the next thing I want to do now is to get the band of my waist, starting from the under bust, and I give it a kind of curvy shape, a slightly curved shape, and I tighten my under bust just to give it a kind of bust tightening effect. Okay, so that's what I did. And right there, I cut out um my shoulder strap, my strap, just like you're saying right there. Okay. And then this is what my bodice looks like at this point. The next thing I want to do is to transfer the bust dart all the way to the waist dart now. Okay, because the style does not really have bust dart. You can only make use of waist dart. Okay, so that is what I'm doing right now. Don't be confused. I will I will delete the necessary part that is not needed so that you won't be confused because it's not a paper for you to understand clearly. Okay, so by the time I'm done transferring the darts, you would see it. Okay, can you see? So I've transferred my boss dart to the waist, and this is what we have right now. The next thing I'll be doing is to transfer the cut out the waistband just to close that space in between, just to make it a whole band, as you can see. Then I'm copying out the remaining upper bodies just like that, just to show you that okay, this is what we have now. Next thing, let's move on to the sleeve. Okay, so I rule out my necessary lines just for the drape. The sleeve have some kind of drapings, so the drapings was gotten from a normal basic sleeve, so you can make use of half of your sleeve. Okay, this is more like full sleeve. The next thing I will be doing right now, you can see that I make it a kind of I make it I made it kind of curvy, like it is not straight slash lines that I have there. I have it it is kind of curved. Okay, just to give you that drapey effect by the time you do it on your sleeve. Okay, that's about that. And yes, when cutting on your fabric, make sure you had enough seam allowance, like probably 1 inch seam allowance, just to make it drop much more. That the intervals between each slash length code should be equal, maybe like 1 inch intervals, however you want it. Okay, so that's about that. And then this is what I have right now for the sleeve. I had to just eliminate that